Meet goPLIMS, the integrated platform with multiple modules empowering teams to proactively manage, integrate, collaborate, deliver. goPLIMS is an integrated project and work management platform, the centralized platform to manage multiple workflows with dedicated cloud solutions connecting people, processes, and productivity. Our solutions. Action the secure multi-stream action register task management platform, built with multiple views, dynamic dashboards, email reminders, automatic meeting minutes, and decision matrix, enables seamless collaboration. Benefit from custom workflows and reports. Plan, track, control. RFI-M, your central repository for managing requests for information. Capture all details, involve cross-functional teams, track until closure, and create custom reports. Identify, clarify, confirm. Batch-M, the multi-stream batch management platform. Streamline, automate, and standardize repetitive processes end-to-end with real-time batch updates. Improve visibility, reduce cost, and increase efficiency. Initiate, monitor, complete. Discrep-M, the complete discrepancy and exception management system powered by online workflows. Follow its sequence to online routines and e-signatures. Identify, investigate, conclude. Change-M, the online change management to formally manage changes. Initiate change, evaluate, implement the plan, and formally close with online routines and e-signatures. Submit, implement, close out. eDoc-M, the electronic document management system. Manage all documents online with access-controlled folders, helping you to collaborate with internal and external teams. Set up, integrate, manage. eSign-M, the electronic signature management system. Create unique control copies and manage e-signatures and streamline document approvals. Secure, control, eSign. Track-R, the central tracker to monitor status and track progress across global teams. Access controls to provide real-time updates 24/7. Prescribe, collect, track. Punch-M, the online punch list management. The central platform allows you to define snags and defects, assign executors, and close with proof of completion. Define, organize, finish. Form-M, the online e-form management. Centrally manage e-forms, initiate execution online from approved templates until completion, and submit for approval. Initiate, execute, and approve. goPLIMS benefits users with web and mobile access, dedicated cloud space per client, and inbuilt data integrity and security. Contact us now if you're ready to transform how your teams work.